Hello and welcome to this Uploadia demo video. I will show you today how to create quotes and contracts in Infor XA with Uploadia. Let's do the mapping of the Excel and the business objects in Uploadia together. Here we have the Excel file with the data to create a quote, the price break and the contract. Of course, you can add more columns with additional information to your Excel file. Please note, all dates related to the quote or contract must be today or in the future. XA does not allow you to create quotes or contracts in the past. To make it easier to understand, we added colors to the Excel file. All fields in blue are related to the quote. The yellow ones are quantity and price for the price break. Everything in green is the data for the contract. So the whole process is working as follows. First step is to create the quote. The second step is to create the price break as child object. Check the bill of material video or the customer order video for more details to this. The last step is an update on the quote with the contract data. We upload our Excel file on the left area and drop it into the mapping area. On the right side, we take the business object quotes. We also drop that into the mapping area. The fields vendor, item, quote and warehouse are automatically mapped because the name in the Excel file is the same as in Infor XA. This is correct and we can keep them. In this first step, we need to map all fields that also belong to the quote. These were the blue columns from the Excel. We map quote accept date and quote expiration date by drag and drop. On the new button, we create a new transaction to create the price breaks as child objects. For this, we need the object price breaks. Here we map again vendor, item and quote to let Uploadia know to which quote your price breaks belong. Then also quantity and price. That were the yellow fields in our Excel. Now we also need a third mapping area with the option update to update your quote to a contract. We need again the business object quotes as there is no own business object for contracts in XA. We need again vendor, item, quote and additionally all fields in green from the Excel file. This is contract, price, contract start date, contract expiration date and quantity limit. The reason why we can't supply all the contract details in the first step with the creation of the quote is that XA does not allow to have a contract without a price break. For that reason, we need to split it up in these 3 steps. Now we can save the mapping or go directly on upload. Since all lines are green here, the upload was successful. Now we will quickly check the results in Infor XA. We go into the menu Procurement, then to the quotes. Here we see the 3 quotes from our Excel file are created and the contract number is also here. If we go into the details of that quote, we can see down here the price breaks and here we can see the contract details. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated.